I'm cooking pork tocino. I slice the pork thinly like that size, and then I soak them for 30 minutes in water with a mixture of 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking soda, and some vinegar. Then clean the water properly, put them in the strainer, and clean them further with the running water. Then leave the pork in the strainer to remove all the excess liquid. Then I prepare the marinating mixture. The marinating mixture consists of 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon vegetable seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon garlic powder or garlic granules, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1/2 cup ketchup, and 1/2 cup pineapple juice. I use the canned pineapple for the juice, so I just put all of this. This is more than 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. Then mix everything properly until dissolved. So put the pork in the marinating dish. Then pour the marinating liquid into the sliced pork, and then mix everything properly and thoroughly. It has to be properly mixed. Then cover it and marinate it inside the refrigerator overnight. Afterwards, you can just put them into small portion and then freeze or cook all of them all at once. So after marinating, I just cook a sample on how it has to be done. So I just get some pieces, and then I put it in a small frying pan. Actually, you can add some of the juice, so put it on high, medium high, or you can just put a bit of water and then cover it and simmer until tender. So you have to lower the heat. When it's almost tender, put it on medium high again, the heat. When almost dry, put the oil. I use grapeseed oil, but you can use any.